Stegosaur's small brain is enormous animals into the small Stegosaurus still managed to thrive over 10 million years during the late Jurassic period and thrive today at Jurassic Park.
Have some barrels?
Time, the ever-flowing river. Come with us now to a time before man, when the river flowed through a newborn world, and giants walked the earth.
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
Are among the largest creatures ever to walk the earth. Yet despite their awesome size, these gentle giants pose no threat to us. Psittacosaurs, with their curved, parrot-like beaks, are the most primitive of the horned dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs that includes Protoceratops and the mighty Triceratops.
Heavy armor coating and spiked tails protect these herbivores from the savage predators of their native period. Next up on our tour is Hadrosaur Cove.
Are you ready for Hadrosaur Cove?
Hadrosaur Cove, you find a variety of duck-billed dinosaurs, such as Parasaurolophus. These enormous beasts, like prehistoric cattle, feed quietly on river plants and fish. Their hollow cranial habitat.
You are entering the raptor containment area. Please, stay seated. We'll grab you both to the receiving dock in
Okay, let's see if it's still raining.
There's a door.
They won't drop us.
Row 4, please put your front away. Row 4 on the far left, please put your front away. Thank you.
That's all we ask. We tried it.
Oh God.
Wasn't that fun?
Oh.
Yes, it was pretty good. I'm never doing it. We tried it. We tried it. That's all we asked. Like as soon as it starts, my legs will start shaking really bad. Yeah, I heard you got like grippier. Alright, now Popeyes. You're good for Popeyes. You know that. There's a corner of Popeyes. Yeah. The climb that you don't get wet on. Alright, yeah, right now you don't get wet. I'm surprised I didn't get wet on. I didn't get wet at all.
Please remain seated until your boat comes to a full and complete
I got a little bit on my
stop.
hair, but...
Look around carefully and gather all your personal belongings before exiting. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of your day at Jurassic Park.
Well, that was fun. Can't see anything out of these anymore, but that was cool. Yay.
Please remain seated until your boat comes to a full and complete stop. Look around carefully and gather all your personal belongings before exiting. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of your day at Jurassic Park.
Bounce the wow wow, chicka wow wow, chicka wow wow, chicka wow.